Hey guys, so I'm going to do a raw video for today, and I'm going to unbox two boxes that were delivered to my address today. And here they are. So, once in a while I'll try to spoil myself. So I'm going to unbox first this small box. So this is like a reward to myself for, working extra hard. So once in a while it's okay to splurge onto something. So let me see how it looks like. So first item on the box is actually from Gucci, and this is the box. It's actually my first ever Gucci wallet. Looks nice. And now I'm going to unbox the bigger one. Let's see how this one looks like. Okay. Actually, the box is bigger than the actual package. So this is the one in the bigger box. It's also from Gucci. So I got this really nice Gucci shoes. So let's see how, or if this will be comfortable if I wear them on my shift. So bye.